Okay, Virgo, hi. It's Mary Ellen. Pardon me, I'm back. That was somebody who was scheduled to come and install something in my house, and was not managing my time. Didn't realize where the day had gone. So, pardon me, I'm going to try to splice this together. Let's pick off here where we left off, okay? We're talking about falling, the snake medicine. There's an alchemical moment happening for this individual and between the two of you. Of course, my guides are saying put this right here like that. All right, so strength is going to be employed between the two of you. That's what you're going to need. You are going together as individuals through your transformation process, and this person wants to talk with you about it. I love that the Page of Pentacles is here along with the Fool, because you're and the Page of Cups. So a lot of love, a lot of water energy flowing. And look, do you see how he's looking in this direction and you're looking in this direction? And the Page of Pentacles is looking into you. So this just bodes very well. And look what else is here on the top. King of Pentacles. I love it. So there's something very powerful. That is how this person's transmutation is taking place, and they want to speak with you about it because it is changing their world, and it is also going to change your world. If you're connected with this person, you are going to transform, whether you like it or whether you know it or not. So beautiful. I like it. All right. My guides are saying that they want to give an outcome card for this person, for your partner. Okay, Spirit, what does it want to say, please? Telling us more. Ooh, cards are flipping. Please tell us some more about this person who's going through this transmutation. What is the message about this person and their energy coming forward? Wow. Yeah, it's intense, okay? My guys are saying two things. All right, two things are coming out. So, the Empress, of course, because they're manifesting into their own abundance and their ability to be abundant, and a lot of inspiration, a lot of clarity about sacred things, about the spiritual realm, all the things that reading about snake energy and the shaman, etc. And it's going to bring to them an enormous amount of inspiration. So make sure that while you're connecting, you leave space for each other in the middle of the relationship, and that you give each other time alone into your own space, my guide is saying, for each of you, because you're going to both need it. But this is really beautiful. You're feeling it. And I think that's why we have the energy of the pages here. Necessarily, for some of you, this is going to go slow because it just needs that breathing. You each need some breathing room, I think, even though there's going to be an enormous amount of passion. Okay, so you may have a very rapid, passionate coming together, and then there may be some moments where you got to say, okay, you know what? I have to go home and be in my own house with myself because, I need some downtime. So don't worry about that stuff, okay? All right, Spirit, please give us a rune for these mystical lovers going through this shared transmutation. Virgo, providing the stability and the ability to travel across the waters and through the medicine wheel. Do you see how Snake is looking in that direction? Through the medicine wheel, you travel together. That's the place where you're going to meet. Oh my God, thank you, Spirit. Woo! Talk about the swirl of energy. All right, let's get a room for you fabulous people. My guys want that one. Look. Okay, you know what? That is the room for flow. So I am going to move this over. We are going to put it right between the two of you. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. So that means everything you think it means. Okay? We're talking about the water element, the way the love flows in both directions. Okay? Temperance, cups, transformation, changing. It's fabulous. So if you don't know, I use the Book of Runes by the beautiful Ralph Blum. And it's a lovely little book. If you have an interest in these kind of things, you can pick it up on Amazon for $15 or something. It's really cheap. All right. So, flow. Oops, I missed it. What did I do? I landed on the wrong page. Hang on. Sorry about that. Stand up. Thank you. This is about flow. It has to do with the water element and that which conducts energy. It is the rune Laguz. Unseen powers are active here, powers that nourish, shape, and connect. The attributes of this rune are water, fluidity, the ebb and flow of emotions, careers, relationships. Laguz encourages you to immerse yourself in the experience of living without having to evaluate or understand, so go straight into the mystery of this. It speaks of the satisfaction of emotional needs and to the awakening of the intuitive or lunar side of your nature. For while the sun strives for differentiation, the moon draws us toward union and merging, and we got the full moon coming up. Things coming to illumination and things finishing. It's perfect. My guides are saying the timing is perfect. This rune often signals a time for cleansing, deep revaluing, reorganizing, and realigning. A rune of deep knowing, it may call you to study spiritual matters in readiness for self-transformation. Success now lies in contacting your intuitive wisdom and attuning to your own rhythms. This is a rune of the self, rightly relating to the self, capital S. Laguz signifies what alchemists call conjunctio, or sacred marriage. Look at that. My guys are like, okay, there it is. That's what we're talking about. Beautiful. So, in fairy tales, it is the end of the story where the hero and the heroine live happily ever after. So there you go. Virgo, for those of you who are in relationship or coming into relationship, these are the aspects and the energies available to you. Thank you so much for stopping by Moonrise Cottage. Please put some comments on the thread below. I'm looking forward to it very much. I'm going to have to edit this video, so it may not splice together perfectly, but be patient with me. Click the like button, please, on your way out the door, and let me know what's happening. Wishing you all my love, sending hugs and love, and I'll look forward to continuing this burgeoning story, my guides are saying, next week. Enjoy the full moon. I'll look forward to seeing you soon, okay? Thanks, everyone.